मकर संक्रांति के मौके पर वज़ीर-ए-आज़म नरेंद्र मोदी अपनी नई दिल्ली की रिहाइशगाह पर पुंगनुरु नस्ल के गायों को चारा खिलाते हुए देखे गए। ये अनोखी गायें, जिनका ताल्लुक आंध्र प्रदेश से है, अपने छोटे कद, खूबसूरती और इंतहाई ग़िज़ाइयत से भरपूर दूध के लिए मशहूर हैं। अक्सर मजहबी रसूमात में इसी दूध का इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, जैसे कि आंध्र प्रदेश के मंदिरों में क्षीराभिषेकम के लिए। इस नस्ल की गाय को इसके दूध के फायदों के बिना पर सोने की कान भी कहा जाता है, जो कि ओमेगा फैटी एसिड, कैल्शियम, पोटेशियम और मैग्नीशियम जैसी जरूरी ग़िज़ाई अज्जा से भरपूर होता है। ये बड़ी मिसाली पालतू जानवर होती हैं। अपनी रिहाइशगाह पर पुंगनुरु गायों को पालने में पीएम मोदी का मकसद उनका तहफ़्फ़ुज़ है, जो कुछ अरसा पहले खत्म होने को थी। हाइब्रिड गायों की तरजीह की वजह से खतरे में पड़ने वाली पुंगनुर गायों की नस्ल के तहफ़्फ़ुज़ मुहिम में पीएमओ की शिरकत इस अनोखी नस्ल की हिफाजत के अज़्म को वाज़ेह करती है।
Punganur cattle breed, this is one of the dwarf breeds in the world. It is an indigenous breed, Indian breed, and hardly it is having 3 feet height from the ground, and tail switch also it is almost all touching the ground, and the weight of the animal usually it will be around 150 to 200 kgs, and these animals are almost all in the verge of extinction, and almost all we have nearly about 1000 maybe there in the world, and among that particular one, this particular Punganur breed in the native tract, we are maintaining a farm that is under the Sri Venkateswara Veterinary University and Livestock Research Station Palamaner. We have these particular animals. We have started with 20 animals, and now almost all we have 280 animals. This particular breed is having the medicinal value in the milk, and because of its high fat content, 6 to 8% of the fat content is there. It is rich of calcium and phosphorus and other minerals, which is very important for the young born babies and also old people and diseased people. And because of its medicinal value, people they will be getting immunity, and the dung and urine also here we are using for the as a pesticides instead of chemical manures. Using of chemical manures, we know that particular difficulties how we are getting health, spoiling our health, and for organic farming many of the farmers they are using this particular indigenous cattle, and because of its having antifungal activity, antibacterial activity, antiviral activity, because of this particular urine also they are spraying on the particular fruit orchards also, they are getting mangoes and the particular oranges and other crops also they are using this particular one, and this is the breed we have to protect because of its indigenous, and its cost of the animal also sometimes it is reaching even 5 to 10 lakhs, because this particular animal is having very few in number. That is the reason why people they are having this particular interest towards this particular animal, and this is very cute animal. See, during Makara Sankranti, our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji, yesterday we have seen in the social media, and this is how this particular animal is having its publicity worldwide, because now very few people came to know this particular animal is there. Now 90% of the world population they came to know this particular breed is still it is there, still it is in India, and even though it is few in number, we are taking utmost care towards this particular improvement of the breed, and Rashtriya Gokul Mission also is a prestigious project of the government of India, and they are just spending a huge amount to improve this particular breed also. See, this is how we are taking this care of this particular animal. We are conserving these animals. We are conserving the animals, and these indigenous breeds we should protect. We are trying to improve this particular breed in numbers.